So guys, mag-install po tayo guys ng mini driving light. Guys, kakagawa ko lang ng ito, lagayan ng ilaw. Ito po yung natin guys, mini driving light made in TikTok. Tinanggal ko muna yung battery guys kasi susumpulan natin kung mag-ilaw ba. One, yung white guys, and high, yun. Okay guys, akala ko sinagkamali tayo guys. Ito yun. Ulitin natin guys. Low, high. Ayos guys. Kakabit na natin guys mamaya. Thank you for watching.